Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Merge Mansion. This guide will help you understand the fundamental mechanics and enjoy the game. You'll learn to combine items, complete intriguing tasks, and uncover the mansion's many secrets. We'll cover everything from basic merging to advanced strategies, ensuring you can efficiently restore the mansion and unravel its captivating story. Get ready to dive into a world of mystery and fun. The heart of Merge Mansion lies in merging. You'll combine 3 or more identical items on your board to create a single, more advanced item. These merged items are crucial for completing tasks given by the game's characters. Each task progresses the story and often unlocks new parts of the mansion. Remember to manage your energy carefully. It's essential for generating the base items you need to merge and complete those exciting objectives. Effective resource management is key to success. Keep your board organized to prevent it from becoming too cluttered, making it easier to find and merge items. Always prioritize generating items that are required for your active tasks to ensure steady progress. Don't forget to claim your daily rewards and participate in special events. They offer valuable resources. Save your precious gems for critical purchases like extra energy or rare items to maximize your gameplay. As you complete tasks and merge items, you'll gradually unlock new and exciting areas of the mansion. Each new section brings fresh challenges and more of the captivating story to uncover. You'll repair and decorate these spaces, revealing more about the mansion's past and its mysterious inhabitants. Keep an eye out for hidden secrets and intriguing character backstories that add depth to your adventure. Enjoy the journey of restoring the mansion and solving its many puzzles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.